Hello guys, it's your boy again, Dave Vlogs on Mobile. Come closer, let me tell you what I brought for you guys today. Today I brought to you, this is an Honda Academy Accord 2008 model. If you suddenly observe your car is being a sudden misfire or jacking, these are few tips to check. Number one, the coil. This is the coil of the motor. It is called ignition coil. If your car is bringing a misfire, what I'll advise you to, you remove this coil. You check the whole coil, one, two, three, four of them. You remove the wire each one by one. You check it each and check the one that is not bringing out the right sound. Once you check this wire and you see that all the wires they are bringing out the right sound, you check your nozzles. These are your nozzles here. Those one, they are your nozzles. Also you remove the coil and check in your plug. If you know say you no get time to go mechanic workshop, if you just do all those things, check in the plug and all those things will help you work your car before taking it to any mechanic, make you no go scam before you come carry the thing go mechanic come dey tell you. Please guys, also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks.